I don't know if this is a good time to ask, but would it be possible for me to get my briefcase back?
Striker! Striker! Ted Striker?
Do you know what it's like to laugh like that?
Yes, I do.
What do you get for telling the truth? A one-way ticket to the funny farm. The Des Moines Institute, and you know it.
We're familiar with it.
I'm gonna get Ted. Just don't come apart on me now.
Jimmy, you like it when Scraps holds onto your leg and rubs up and down?
You were gassed, my rock!
Captain, your navigator, Mr. Unger, and your first officer, Mr. Dunn.
Unger? Over. Done.
We better get to the tower, Lieutenant.
We have no tower, sir.
No tower.
Just a bridge, sir.
Why the hell aren't I notified about these things? Lieutenant, how would you handle this? I want to know absolutely everything that's happened up till now.
Well, let's see. First, the Earth cooled, and then the dinosaurs came. But they got too big and fat, so they all died, and they turned into oil. And then the Arabs came, and they bought Mercedes-Benzes.
Doctor, can you give the court your impression of Mr. Stryker?
I'm sorry I don't do impressions. My training is in psychiatry.
Of course.
Do you swear on the Constitution of the United States to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Ain't no thing.
The second time bomb on your right, please.
Certainly.
Stay with us now for a preview of one of the year's most electrifying new movies coming up next week on 7. Falcon Crest follows the preview, and for another great comedy, don't miss Going Ape this Wednesday night. Who's the Boss star Tony Danza and Danny DeVito in the craziest love story ever. Going Ape premieres 8:30 Wednesday.
What they'll be expecting us to do.